because I'm like a 98-year-old trapped in a 26-year-old's body. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely wonderful day. I'm doing pretty alright myself because today I'm very excited to finally be announcing the winner of my FabFitFun giveaway. Yeah, it still says unboxing on the board, but just ignore that. We're actually not unboxing anything today. Shockingly, I have not done a non-unboxing video in like 10 billion years. But with that being said, let me go ahead and grab this box right here, because this is what the winner of the giveaway is going to be receiving. Not just this lovely Sephora box, but also all the little items inside. I would take them out and show them to you individually, but I have them very like strategically placed in here, so I'm just gonna leave them. The winner of this giveaway will be receiving this Wish Cream Cleanser, this Foreo Luna, this Spongele. I have no idea what accent that was even supposed to be, but this little thing right here will make this entire box smell amazing when you open it. Then over here we have an Ava hand cream. Buried right here, this little blue sliver. This is a, well, it appears I have already forgotten what it is. So this is a Pores No More Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt, and then underneath all of this there is a train case from Yumi Kim. So as soon as the winner is announced and I get in contact with them, I will tape this all up and ship it right out to you. Alright, so how this is going to work is like the same way all the giveaways run on my channel. I have asked you guys to leave comments on the giveaway video. I'm going to take those comments and put them into a random comment picker. The computer will do its computer thing and go through all the comments and select a random winner. And as long as the person that is selected has followed all the rules of the giveaway, then they are the winner of the giveaway. I will contact them via whatever contact information they have left me in that comment, and then they will have 1 week to get back to me and say like, yeah, I would love to receive the prize and this is my shipping address and I'll ship it right to you, and that'll be that. However, if they do not get back with me in that 1 week's time, then I will go ahead and select another winner. So with all that being said, let's just go ahead and announce the winner of the giveaway. Alrighty, so the winner of my FabFitFun giveaway is... Congratulations, I am super duper excited to be shipping this out to you. I will get in contact with you very, very soon. And you know what? If I'm having a senior moment, which I'm very prone to because I'm like a 98-year-old trapped in a 26-year-old's body, and you do not hear from me within like 1 day of me posting this video, just go ahead and leave me a comment down below or even send me an email. My email is linked in the description, and just be like, hey, I'm the winner. Just don't want you to forget because I know you're good at it. But I should be contacting you as soon as I'm done filming this video. So just also thank you so very much to everybody who has watched the video and entered and left comments and things like that. You guys are absolutely amazing. There will always be giveaways going on this channel like randomly. We are getting fairly close to 100K. I don't want to jinx it. I feel like if I say it, there's a fuzz just floating right there in the middle of the camera. I feel like if I talk about it too much, it's just gonna like disappear, which would just break my heart. So we are approaching that number, and if you guys have any suggestions of what you would like to happen once or if that occurs, let me know down below in the comments. Would you like some type of giveaway and like a special video, or what would you all like to see if that happens? Which is completely unbelievable and remarkable and mind-blowing that that's even a possibility. But that is all I have for you guys today. Congratulations again to the winner, and thank you guys again for entering. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you guys wouldn't mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have an absolutely lovely day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!